Listen to me wherever you are watching me from. This is Prophet Alphonse. Wherever you are watching me from in the diaspora or all over the world, I just want to tell you that God wants me to speak to whoever have dead to raise up. I just want to tell you whatever problem that you are passing through, whatever condition that you are, whatever that happened to you, you don't know what to do. You don't know who you are going to explain to. When you saw my Facebook or YouTube or TikTok, you will see my WhatsApp number over there. Click on it. It will direct you to my WhatsApp inbox. Through there, chat whatever that you wanted me to pray for you. Chat it over there. I will listen to you. I will pray for you one-on-one. Every your problem, God must solve it in the name of Jesus Christ. Every of your challenge, God must solve it by the power of God. Whatever that you are passing through, whatever that you saw yourself, that you don't know what to do, God is about to change your life. God bless you. Share this video to reach others. I promise you, your life can never remain the same. In Jesus' mighty name, I pray for you.